Mirror, mirror from the car, who's been the best host from the series so far?
Well, hello, Avery.
Hey, Josh!
Everyone, I am so glad that Avery is holding that mirror there, because today I would like to talk about the importance of VIN matching when it comes to electrical components.
Josh, you know, this is a really interesting topic. Take this mirror assembly, for example. Just because the plug will fit doesn't mean the mirror is going to be fully functional. Sometimes, different trim levels on the same model will have the same plug, but be configured different ways, allowing basic functions like the motor to work, but others, such as blind spot monitoring systems, to malfunction.
Simple orders, such as headlights, can be made easier with VIN matching. Avery, as an estimator, how many times did you receive a halogen lamp whenever you should have ordered an LED or an HID?
More than I'm willing to admit, but that's why it's important to take the time to reference the part against the VIN. It helps to reduce cycle time and keep your return rates nice and low.
Exactly, and VIN matching can be even more useful whenever it comes to suspension parts. Some makes and models may have slight variations that depend on the packages or options added at the factory. A quick cross-reference to the VIN guarantees that when shops receive our certified original parts, they receive the correct part the first time, every time.
So the next time you're ready to order a part, make sure you have that VIN ready. It'll help guarantee that you get exactly what you're looking for when you expect it.
And that's another edition of Friday Fast Facts. And remember, it's not just a part in a box, it's the original one.
And also remember, an apple a day will keep anyone away, especially if you throw it at them.